Hello, I am teacher Varsha Sarvesh Dwarkar. I am teaching in Shri Mahalakshmi English Primary Medium, पणजी. आम्ही आज सगळ्या भुरग्यांक चिल्ड्रन्स डेच्या निमित्यान हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ रायड बसीचेर व्हरपाचें ठरयलां. सो ही बस आतां आमकां फूल पणजेचें दर्शन घेतली आनी स्टुडंट्स वील एन्जॉय देयर ट्रीप आनी आमी मागीर चिल्ड्रन्स डेच्या हातून आमी चिल्ड्रन्स पार्कांत वचून तांकां खेळून हाडटली.
मिसेस हेमांगी दिवाडकर, 3rd स्टँडर्ड मुष्टिफंड संस्थेची श्री महालक्ष्मी स्कूलची प्रायमरीची टीचर आहे. मी त्यांना इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट शिकवते. ह्या वर्षी दिवाळीच्या सुट्टीमध्ये बालदिन आला होता, त्यामुळे मुलांचा चिल्ड्रन्स डे जो आहे तो साजरा करायचा राहिला होता. तर आम्ही हा वीकेंड आहे, फ्रायडे आहे म्हणून आज ठरवलं आणि मुलं इथे पार्कमध्ये जमली. ती एकत्र बसणार, खेळणार, एकत्र भोजन करणार आणि हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ बसमध्ये मुलं फिरून येणार, एक फेरी मारणार, दोनापावला, मिरामार सर्कल, मग ते पूर्ण अटल सेतू आणि मांडवी नदीचा ओपन व्ह्यू. मुलं आपला गोवा कसा दिसतो ते बसच्या राईडमधनं पाहणार आणि एन्जॉय करणार, पुन्हा इथे येणार आणि खेळणार आणि अशा तऱ्हेने बालदिन साजरा करणार. तर मुलांना मजा यावी आणि एन्जॉय करता यावं म्हणून अशा तऱ्हेने आम्ही बालदिन करण्याचं ठरवलं आहे.
होय सुरभी, किती केलं तुवें? मज्जा केली. किती केलं? झाडाखाली.
Hi, my name is Sabit Kumar. I'm the Business Development Manager for Private Tourism. Hello viewers. Here today we are conducting a city tour for the school children here, which is basically in a double-decker bus. So right now today we are taking a city tour for students, which will cover Donapaula, Miramar Beach and Atal Setu and Panjim city by the river. Here this bus is organized. This bus is given by services provided by Go Goa Hop On Hop Off sightseeing services. These are the regular services which has a unique bus structure with a double decker, open deck and closed deck. This buses do regular sightseeing and covers They have a predefined route which is known as red line and blue line, and this covers major beaches, temples, forts, churches, and the Panjim city by the river, historic monuments, Atal Setu bridge, and much more. So today, of the features of in this bus are basically it has got air conditioned, CCTV and GPS system for security and safety and tracking, and bus has got audio and video entertainment system, completely equipped with info entertainment system, and also it has got a guest relation executive on board which do their guiding as well as assisting travelers on board. Okay, but today we are conducting a tour for the school children's for Mahalakshmi Primary School, Panjim, and I want to thank Headmistress Gauri Kamath ma'am for engaging us on this operations. Thank you so much. These are for tourists as well as local people also who wants to travel, enjoy the guided tour for sightseeing, and covers major beaches, temples, churches and forts. So with the proper information about each and every places, which is audio recorded as well as given by the guest relation executive. We are getting a very good feedback because of the unique structure of the bus, and it is totally air conditions plus the security system and all. So basically we are getting good, not only we are getting the feedback, also we are getting a lot of numbers which were really down in the off season. Now on season season is started, and we are getting a lot of inquiries and a lot of bookings as well. Charges are just very reasonable charges for a complete day travel. One is paying just 600 bucks for the tour.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.